I've got 2 to the x plus 1 equals 8 to the x. So I've got an x on both sides there. Look at the 8 and represent that as a base of 2, which is of course 2 to the power 3. Put that in brackets. That's 2 to the power 3 to the power x. So my 8 becomes 2 to the power 3, but that is still 8 to the power x. So I've still got 8 to the power x. A thing I'm noticing is people are putting an equal sign here. You only have one equal sign per line. If you have an equation, that equal sign carries down. No to the 2 equal signs per line. Then I have a power of a power, so I'll expand that out. 3 times x is 3x. Now I've got the same base. So these equate. X plus 1 equals 3x. And then you have a solvable equation. So now you stop thinking about exponentials and you start thinking about how we learnt to solve equations in year 8. If I have x's on both sides, I will subtract the smaller coefficient of x. Okay, the absolute value, because it doesn't matter if it's got negatives and stuff, but get rid of the x rather than 3x, because if you do minus x to both sides, no, it does not give you 3. 3 lots of x minus 1 lots of x is 2 lots of x, and I've got 1 here. To get rid of the 2 as a coefficient of x, this is divide both sides by 2. I really shouldn't see you writing this either, but if it helps, you go ahead. Divide by 2 on both sides, x equals 1/2. If you are hitting problems there, then you're needing to practice solving simple equations, which is about exercise 1A of the textbook.